Now matrix multiplication. Two matrices A and B are conformable. Are conformable for multiplication if and only if and only if the number of columns in A is equal. This is equal to the number of rows in B. Means two matrices A and B are conformable. It means you can multiply A and B if the number of columns in A is equal to the number of rows in matrix B. Okay, it is denoted as AB. Okay, if matrix A is of order m cross n and matrix B is of order n cross p, then the product AB is of order m cross p. So you may write as a representation, suppose A is a matrix of order m cross n, so you want to multiply with B matrix with order n cross p, then what you get, that is column number of A, row number of B should be equal. Okay, then AB, these two are same. Which one is left? M and P. M and P. Okay. Now let's try how to solve some problem based on this concept. Question: find AB if possible. It means you have to check where A is equals to 2 cross 2 matrix 2 5 3 1 and B is equals to minus 1 2 1 3. Okay, try to understand, very easy. Try to understand here what is A. Here A is equals to 2 5 3 1. What is the order? How many number of row you have? Row number 2, column number is 2. What is B? B is equals to minus 1 2 1 3. Same, 2 row 2 column I should write. Okay, so here you may write column number of A, column number of A is 2, is equals to row number of B is equals to 2. It means A matrix and B matrix are conformable for multiplication. Okay, now calculate AB. Therefore AB is equals to 2 5 3 1 into minus 1 2 1 3. Okay, if possible try to use multicolor for a better understanding. I should go for this and then this. Very easy, try to understand. Is equals to this into this, that is 2 into minus 1 plus 5 into 1, this 5 into that one. Similarly 3 into minus 1, this 3 into that, plus 1 into 1, 1 into 1. This is first column. For second, to this row, that column, second column, 2 2 plus 5 3 for 3 2 plus 1 into 3. Clear? Is it clear? Okay, then 2 minus 2 plus 5, that is 3. From here minus 3 plus 1, minus 2 4 15, that is 19. 6 plus 3 9. Okay, so this is all about the calculation for 2 cross 2 type matrix. Now try to solve another question. Okay. Another question, same, find AB if possible. Why I am writing possible means you have to check AB possible or not, where A is equals to 2 1 1 1 2 1, B is equals to 345102. Okay, try to understand. Different ordered matrix you have answer. Okay, here A is equals to 211121. How many row you have? 2. How many column? 3. Clear? Always you have to mention it for multiplication. Now what is B? B is equals to 345102. How many row you have? 3. How many column you have? 2. Clear? What is your checking? Column number of A and row number of B. Column number of A is 3 and row number of B is 3. Means both are same. It means they are conformable for multiplication. So you have to mention it. Column number of A is equals to row number of B is equals to how much? 3. Therefore A and B are conformable for multiplication. Clear? So you have to mention it. Next, now AB. Now I want to calculate AB. AB, so you write down, that is 211121 345102. That is multiply. Okay, same process. I should row then column. Is for a better understanding, I am using multicolor. Okay, try to understand. Very easy. 2 into 3 plus 1 into 5 plus 1 into 0. Clear? This into this, 1 into 5 and so on. Similarly, 1 into 3 plus 2 into 5 plus 1 into 0. This row, that column. Now for second column, 2 into 4 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 2. 1 into 2. Second line, this and this, 1 into 4 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2. Clear? That is 6 plus 5, this is 0. 6 plus 5, 11. 3 plus 10, this is 0. 13. 8 plus 1, 8 plus 1 plus 2. 8 plus 1 plus 2, 9 plus 2, 11, 4 plus 2 plus 2, that is 8. So this is all about the calculation. Now you should check another one part. So A matrix is of 2 cross 3 and B matrix is 3 cross 2. Okay, then what will the resultant order? Resultant order 2 cross 2. This is you have. Okay, 2 cross 2. Clear? Now I will solve another question. Find AB where A is equals to 2 1 2 1 2 1 3 1 4 and B is equals to 0 1 minus 1 3 1 1 1 minus 2 2. Okay, try to understand answer. Here A is equals to how much? 2 1 2 1 2 1 3 1 4. What is the order? 3 row 3 column, so you should write 3 cross 3. Okay, what is B? B is equals to 0 1 minus 1 3 1 1 1 minus 2 2, that is 3 cross 3. Okay, so already you know that AB is possible if column number of A is equals to row number of B. So here column number of A is 3, row number of B is 3. Okay, it means AB is possible. So you should write column number of A is equals to row number of B is equals to 3. It means AB is possible. Okay, clear? Now I want to calculate. So AB, you write down 2 1 2 1 2 1 3 1 4 multiply with 0 1 minus 1 3 1 1 1 minus 2 2. Okay, same logic you should write row wise then column wise. Okay, try to understand carefully. This into that, 2 into 0 plus 1 into 3 1 this 3 plus 2 into 1. Okay, similarly first row is over for first column, second row first column 1 0 2 3 plus 1 1, second row first column. Now third row first column 3 0 1 3 plus 4 1. Now calculation for second column. Now 2 1 plus 1 1 plus 2 minus 2. 2 1 1 1 2 minus 2. Next 1 1 plus 2 1 plus 1 minus 2. Second row, second column. Third row, second column. 3 1 1 1 plus 4 minus 2. Okay. Now third column wise. First row, third column. That is 2 minus 1 plus 1 1 plus 2 2. Okay. First row, third column. Second row, third column. 1 minus 1 2 1 plus 1 2. Okay. Next 3 minus 1 plus 1 1 plus 4 2. Okay. So this is the main part. Now two into 0 0 3 2, that is 5. 0 6 plus 1 3 to the 6, 1 into 1, that is 7. 0 3 4, that is 7. From here 2 2 into 1 2 1, from here 1, that is 3. 2 minus 2, that is minus 4, that is minus 1. 2 plus 1 3 minus 4, that is minus 1. 1 2 1 2. 1 into 1 1, 2 into 1 2, that is 3. 1 into minus 2 minus 2, that is 3 minus 2 1. 3 into 1 3, 1 into 1 1, that is 4. 4 into minus 2 8, that is 4 minus 8 minus 4. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. 1 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1 plus 4, that is 3. Okay. Minus 1, from here 1 minus 1 minus 1. 2 into 1 2 minus 1 2 means 1. 1 plus 2 into 1 2, that is 3. Okay. Minus 3, from here 1 minus 3 1 minus 2 8. Minus 2 8 6. Okay. And so this is the calculation. Okay. Now I am going to discuss some properties based on matrix multiplication. Now properties of multiplication. Properties of matrix is also important. Okay. Number one property number 1. Property number 1. Okay. Matrix multiplication is associative. That is, A B C is equals to A B C. Okay. Number 2 property. Matrix multiplication in general non commutative, that is AB is not equals to BA. Okay. Number 3, another important property. If AB is a null matrix, that is AB is equals to 0. Suppose you have a null matrix. After multiplication, if you have any situation, multiplication is there, is equals to null matrix. Okay. It does not necessarily mean that, most important part, either A or B be a null matrix. This is very, very important information. Clear? Number 4. Matrix multiplication is distributive with respect to addition, that is A B plus C is equals to AB plus AC. It is satisfied. So these are the basic properties from matrix multiplication.